What is a recession? And does Bitcoin care? The 2 quarters standard is simple, but the definition by the National Bureau of Economic Research gives policymakers much-needed wiggle room. For Bitcoin, the semantics don't matter. Recession, or the R word as politicians call it, pops up in everybody's conversations these days, and with good reason. Today's gross domestic product report showed that the U.S. economy shrank for a second consecutive quarter, and if you paid close attention in macroeconomics class, you'll likely start panicking. Many students of the economy learn at some point that 2 straight quarters of declines is tantamount to the definition of a recession. But it depends on who's being asked. And these days, if you listen to policymakers, they're pointing to an altogether different standard. The National Bureau of Economic Research, NBER, which most analysts and U.S. officials defer to when determining the timing of economic cycles, says that a recession is defined by more than just GDP. A recession is a significant decline in economic activity that is spread across the economy and that lasts more than a few months, according to the NBER. The inherent subjectivity gives policymakers, including the Federal Reserve, much-needed wiggle room, very different from the easy-to-classify 2 quarters definition. It was simple to understand, it was black and white, said David Vessel, senior fellow in economic studies at the Brookings Institution and former Wall Street Journal economics editor. The NBER definition is kind of mushy, for good reason, because there are lots. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.